In this video, we will learn about the phylum Chordata. Now, the phylum Chordata, now chorda basically means string. Now, there are three main characteristics of chordata. First is dorsal tubular hollow nerve cord. Now, in the picture, you can see that dorsal basically means the surface which is away from the ground. So, this is the dorsal surface. Now, you can see that the hollow nerve cord is dorsal to the body. Okay, it is tubular and hollow. Now the notochord present and is ventral to the nerve cord. Now this is the nerve cord and this is the notochord. As you can see that the notochord is ventral to the nerve cord. Ventral means towards the earth's surface. Okay. Now in higher vertebrates, this notochord is replaced by bones or cartilage to form the vertebral column. Okay. Now a series of pharyngeal gill slits, as you can see over here in the diagram, are present in the pharyngeal wall at some stage in the life cycle. Now there are three characters present in both primitive chordates and in the embryo of higher chordates. Okay. Now the nerve cord, which is this nerve cord, persists throughout the life in chordates, and basically the anterior end, which is this end, becomes brain. Okay, after enlarging, and it is enclosed in a brain case or specifically known as skull. Now the notochord is replaced by vertebral column. Okay. Now the gill slits, which are present only in fishes, in amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals, these are completely lost during the development. Now the tail, which is this post-anal tail, behind the anal opening at some stage of the development is present. Now the chordata phylum is divided into two subphyla, which are protochordata and vertebrata. Now, protochordata are lower chordates and vertebrata are higher chordates. These basically mean that in protochordata, the notochord is rudimentary. Now, it is only present in at least larval forms, whereas notochord is replaced by vertebral column in vertebrata. Okay, now the vertebrata are further divided into five classes, which are Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, and Mammalia. Okay. Now the subphylum Protochordata. As you can see the two example, Herdmania and Balanoglossus. Okay. Now they are bilaterally symmetrical, unsegmented triploblastic animals having a body cavity or coelom. So they're coelomate as well. Now you can see that they are bilaterally symmetrical, which means I can divide the body plane into two equal halves by a single plane only. Now they have a notochord at some stage in their lifetime. That is why they are placed under chordata. And this notochord is basically present between the dorsal nerve tube, which is this dorsal nerve tube, and the gut. This is the gut. So the notochord is placed between them, and this notochord provides attachment to the muscle over here. So basically it provides the place for the attachment of muscles. Now usually the protochordata are marine, soft, having a vase-like or worm-like form, as you can see in the picture as well. Now the protochordata includes three groups, basically hemichordata, example Balanoglossus, cephalochordata, example Amphioxus, and urochordata, example Herdmania. Okay. Now subphylum vertebrata. Now the chordates that possess the backbone are called vertebrates. Backbone, which is also known as vertebral column. Now they have the following characteristics. First is that notochord is present in the embryo, and in adults it is replaced by vertebral column. Okay. Now the nerve cord is divided into brain and spinal cord. So this was the nerve cord back then. Now the anterior end becomes the brain and the posterior end becomes the spinal cord. Okay. Now the body has two pairs of fins or limbs. Now the respiration is either by gills in fishes or by lungs in terrestrial vertebrates. Now the subphylum vertebrata is divided into the following five classes: Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, and Mammalia. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.